So the first step is to visit our official website, omeidachinese.com. I have added the link in the video description, so you can just click it to get started. Once you are in the home page, you can either click the apply button or head to the course section. Let's click on apply button. So now you will see a list of all our available programs. Take your time and choose the one that this feature goes. I will choose the first one. Apply now. This page will appear. Here you have the freedom to design a plan. For example, I want to study for 4 weeks, OMEIDA. Then I want to start, for example, in June, like 16 June. And then for the courses, you have different packages. So I will choose the second one, for example. And here you have the price. The price change depend on your package. So when you finish, just click next and then fill your personal details. For message and promo code are not obligatory. So then when you finished, click next. So here you will see all your personal details, course package, prices, and everything. Check it again. If your informations are correct, click apply. So when you click apply, you will get a confirmation via email, and OMEIDA's team will contact you to guide you through payment, visa, and accommodation option. As someone who recently joined OMEIDA, I can tell you that the process is super smooth and the team is always here to help. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us or comment below. We are waiting you in Yangshuo. 再见